Hi guys, welcome to the fifth lecture of Module 3 of Autodesk Revit. In this lecture, we'll be talking about the design development phase. So this is the plan. I have made the plan using, first I imported the CAD file as we discussed. We go to insert and then link CAD and import CAD option. So I have done that. I have linked my CAD file here and then we start the design process. First we make the walls. I'll show the three. So this is what this looks like in 3D. So while starting the plan, we start with the walls. First we make the walls as we discussed. To make the walls, we go to architecture and then go to architecture wall, and we get different types of wall which is required, and we edit it with the edit type option. We'll discuss these properties in detail in the further lecture. I'll just give a brief idea about the designing phase. So all the properties can be edited in this, and we get a lot of different types of materials available in this tab, material browser tab. We'll get a lot of material. If you don't find any material here, we go to asset browser, and then we get a lot of properties of all kind of materials here. So for wall, we go to the concrete casting base we have, and then all type of material will be found in this masonry type. Yeah. So this is about the properties of walls. We'll be discussing everything in detail. First we make the wall here and using wall center line, and then using height and second floor. We need the wall from first floor to second floor. Yeah. So we create a wall using the spec line option, and we use the CAD file as the reference and make the wall. Then once the wall is done, we make the floor. For floor, again go to architecture tab, and then we get here floor, architecture floor and structure. We'll be using architecture floor, and we'll be getting different floor options here. It's the same for floor also. We create the boundary, and then if we want to edit the type of the floor material, then we do this. It's the same browser every time. Yeah. Then we create the floors, and then once the floor and the walls are set, then we place the other structures like the components like doors, windows. Then so now you can see that my architecture window is disabled. So this is because my this is the boundary. This is asking me to set boundary. So once you start building walls and floors, you must click on yes or no to exit this boundary condition. I click on that, then as you can see now my architecture floor, this is visible. So now to create doors and windows, we get an option here, and then we get a lot of options available here. If you don't have the floor door option available here, the desired one, then we go to load family, and then we have these folders available. So we'll get all types of components available here. So if you need doors, then go to doors here, and then we get different types of door available. So we need some residential. We'll get all types of door here, and we click on the required one and then open it. We'll be discussing these door family options in future lectures. So this is how you load a door family, and then wherever required you can place it. And then same goes with the window. We load some family which is required. Go to window option here, and different types of window families are available. You select the family and then load it to the software. So this is how you load windows and doors, then you place it wherever required. And then once the doors and windows are placed, then you can see there are different types of sofas, beds, dining table, TV sets available. To place those elements, we go to component, place components, and then again we get a lot of properties available here. But once you start, then you won't get, but you need to load them from the load family option, and the beds can load it from here. We get a lot of families available here which can be loaded, and then change the dimension accordingly. So that's the load family option, which is very helpful to create a model. Then same way I loaded the storage seat also, and the TV set also. I'll show this in a 3D better understand. So this is how the 3D view looks. You can see the dining table, the chair set, and the desk. So I'll show a section view to see the kitchen. And see this kitchen right here. I'll draw a section, and then you can see the section view of that. To draw a section, we go to section here, and then just draw a section line like this, and just double click it, so you'll get a section. So now you can see our kitchen. Yeah, you can see that there are two types of line, a thin line and thick line. So to remove that, you go to thin line option here, then the TL is the shortcut. You click on that, then you can see all lines are thick. But I suggest that you enable that. So you can see these cupboards and section here. There's a sink right here. It's not visible in the section, but I have made a sink here. So that's the section you can see here, the TV set and the windows section here, and the cupboards again. So this is the section view of that. You can just change the direction of the section also by clicking this button, flip section. You can see now if I click on this, double click on that, then you can see the other side of the section. So this is how the section works, section line works. And here you can see the railing actually. I have made a railing here with the PCC right here. I have not drawn the roof here because you can't see the inner components if I draw the roof, so I have not made the roof. This is basically the design process which goes to make every model. So I'll be teaching the main components in the further lectures one by one.